How to add contact from MS Excel to Sendinblue automatically. So let's say you are getting lots of leads from different sources which you are collecting into MS Excel. Now you want to upload all these contacts to Sendinblue. So either you can manually export the file and import to Sendinblue, or you can create an automation in such a way that whenever the contact is added in MS Excel, the same contact will be automatically created in Sendinblue. So I just need to connect MS Excel and Sendinblue with the help of an automation software, and you can also create this automation. So just follow this video till end. So this is the website of that automation software, Pabbly Connect, with the help of which I'm going to upload my contacts from MS Excel to Sendinblue automatically. So first you will have to create your free account where you will get free tasks to test this automation which I am going to create in front of you. Now I am already an existing user, that is why I have clicked on sign in, then clicked on access now, and I have reached to that dashboard. From here you will have to click on this blue button, create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow. I have provided MS Excel to Sendinblue integration. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Sendinblue it should be. Now click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action, in which we are going to connect our application. We are going to select our application. Understand with an example. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever the contact is added in MS Excel, create contact automatically in Sendinblue. That is why the first application will be Microsoft Excel, and the second application will be of course the Sendinblue. Okay, but first I'm going to complete the first step, which is connecting Microsoft Excel with Pabbly Connect so that the data can be captured here first. Okay, in trigger event I will select a new row in worksheet because I want whenever I add a new row here in my worksheet, basically the new contact, it should be captured here. Click on connect, click on add new connection, click on connect with Microsoft Excel, and provide the credential of your OneDrive account in which you have created your Excel sheet. Well, I am already logged into my OneDrive account, that is why it has not asked me for the access. Okay, and the authorization is successful directly. Now it is asking the workbook. Well, the name of my workbook is all lead data. Let me first find that, and since I am connected now, you can see whatever the workbooks are available into my account have started visible here. Let me search for my worksheet name. Okay, let me search it. All lead data, here it is, and here I have just a single sheet which it has selected automatically. Click on save and send test request. Now once I will click on this button, you will see the data which I'm going to add here will be automatically captured here. The recent data, remember the recent data will be captured here. So let me first add a new data here. Okay, assume that a dummy contact is here. Okay, dummy user, and the email address is, let's say, admin@pabblytoots.com. This is the email address, and the number is any random number. I am just doing it for the testing purpose. Okay, so I have added it. Let me correct the formatting first. Okay, so it is done. Let me again correct this particular thing. It should be 14. Okay, looking good. Now I have added the data. Okay, now I am going to click on that button, save and send test request. So the response is received, and you can see dummy user is the name, admin@pabblytoots.com, and here is the number. That means the first step is successful. Now I want to add these details to Sendinblue. That is why here I'm going to select the same application, that is Sendinblue. Okay, so I have selected it, and in action event I want to create or update contact. That is why I have selected the same. Click on connect, click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the connection name, basically for the API key. Well, read the instructions, log into your Sendinblue account, click on your username. On the top right area, select SMTP API from the drop down menu, and you will find the API keys. Well, I am already logged into the software. Let me click on this particular link directly. Okay, I have clicked it. So it is taking me to the SMTP and API section. I have reached here, and you will have to click on this button, create a new API key, provide any API name, okay, connection in between MS Excel to Sendinblue and Sendinblue, okay. So I have provided a name to my API key, click on generate, and this is the API key. Simply copy it, click on OK, come back to Pabbly Connect, paste it here, and this is how you can connect your Sendinblue account with the Pabbly Connect. Now we can easily add the contact which I have received from the MS Excel to Sendinblue by filling out these details one by one. First, it is asking for the contact email. Enter a new contact email to create a new contact, or an existing email contact email to update. You can get the contact details from get contact information endpoint. Okay, so read the instructions, enter text or map data. Click here. Okay, and you can see the above data is visible here. Insert data from the previous step. Yes, you can directly insert the data right from here only. You do not need to copy and paste the details manually. The contact email, here is the contact email. Now second thing is the list. Well, I have two lists and I want to update my contact. I want to add the contact to this particular list. Your first list, let me select the same. Okay, update contact false, blacklist no, readers no, clickers no, last name, first name. Well, I have kept single column for the name which consists of the full name. I do not have the separate last name and first name. So for now I am going to map the first name only. In case whenever you are creating this automation, you can create the columns as per your requirement, as per the Sendinblue requirement. Alright, now let me connect, let me fill the details, and I'm leaving this particular field blank. Let's fill this particular field. Well, I'm going to map the name, dummy user, leave this particular field blank, and I am going to click on this button finally. But let me show you first that I have 0 contact in my list. Let me click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the positive response. Fingers crossed. And you can see the response is received and it is saying the contact has been added successfully. Let me refresh this section and check whether the contact has created automatically or not. Yes, you can see one contact has been created. Let me check for the details whether it is the same contact or not, and you can see admin@pabblytudes.com is the email address, and first name is the dummy user. So you can see how did I manage to create the contact automatically to Sendinblue directly from the MS Excel. Well, you can also do it. And let me tell you one more important thing. Read the instructions here, what it is written. Every 8 hours this trigger will check for new data in every 8 hours. So basically, whenever you are going to update, whenever you are going to add the contact here, the system will come here in the sheet, in this particular Excel sheet, and it will check for the data in every 8 hours. So whatever the data the system will find, it will capture here in every 8 hours. So just in case the automation is not working in real time, do not get bothered. Don't worry about that. Your data will be updated surely in next few hours. Just wait for it patiently. Okay, and this is how you can connect the applications, and I am going to attach the link of this workflow in my description box. From this particular link you can directly clone this particular workflow into your account, that too for free. And once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, simply close Pabbly Connect, because everything will be done in the backend. Whenever you will add the contact details here, these contacts will be automatically created in Sendinblue in a while. Okay, so this is how this automation is going to work. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.